Hello, Jim Tech Buzz back with a new video. Today we've got the new Instax Mini 40, which just was announced yesterday. So these are the films you're going to need here. You'll be familiar with these here, and these are the new films here for the contact sheet here, which you get 10 sheets on it there. So that's what you'll be looking out for when you're purchasing. And here is the box itself. Instax Mini 40 instant camera, simulated image on the front and an image on the side. So on the back it's going to tell us that you've got views to Instax film only, high picture quality and simple operation with automatic film feed, easy to carry, pull out collapsible lens, no need to manually focus for clear images, automatic flash. You have got focus from 30 centimeters and 30 to 50 on selfie mode, easy to shoot selfies with selfie mode and selfie mirror, automatic exposure control, and that enables the background and the subject to be captured brightly with a built-in lens cover. So that's it. And on the side it'll show us then what's on it there. So you have high texture quality, your logo plate, simulated image, premium silver accents, one touch selfie mode, and brighter images for automatic exposure. So let's pop it out of the box and see what it's all about. So we have the camera there. You get your usual booklets, and that you also get a lanyard strap there. And just want to have a look and see if there's any branding on that. And there is Instax, and you get 2 batteries. So you're good to go out of the box. So here we go. Nice looking camera indeed. It does have a nice premium feel. So you've got your shutter key there, your flash in LED here. This is your window, your branding. So you have this lens here, which is cool. Pops out like so. So you've got Instax lens, 60mm focus range, 0.3. Pretty cool. So that's your mirror there for your selfies. So for the selfie lovers will be happy with that. Just do that again, give you a close-up look at it there. So on the side here it does say selfie mode. So I'll just give you one more look at that. It's detectable. And that's it there on the front. The whole lens up on top. There is where your pictures are going to come out. This is your casing here for your films. So that's what it looks like there. And your counter here. So if anyone's used these in the past, you will be familiar with how they work. And up here is the battery door, I presume. So this is the battery door here, which you'll just throw them in where we have them out. That's that done. So that's what it looks like there in the flesh. And this is your viewfinder here. So when you look through the viewfinder on this one, there's a circle in the middle. I haven't noticed that in any of the previous ones. And that's pretty much what it's all about there. It does have a nice premium feel to it. And there's your shutter key there. Looks really, really nice indeed. So there is your LED there that will pop on to let you know that we have got life. And that's pretty much it. So any questions, hit us up. We'll have a full review soon on techbuzzireland.com, and we will gladly answer your questions as usual. And that's pretty much it. So your lens has 2 components, 2 elements, f60mm and 1.12.7. So for any of the camera nerds that are out there, and of course we described everything else there. So that's it for now on Tech Buzz Ireland. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to hit us up, and we'll get back to you on the review pretty soon. So just a quick final close-up of it there. Really nice job indeed, and it does feel really nice in the hand as well. So that's it. So that's your lanyard straps there. You've one at the top and one at the bottom. The choice is yours where you want to put it. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.